Xin chào, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Study Vietnamese with me. So today I will teach you how to use personal pronouns in Vietnamese. Look at the first picture, that's a tree map family. So the first thing, that's grandma and grandpa. So if you call them ông or bà. And then you will have to call yourself is cháu. One more time. Ông, bà. And you call you cháu. With older aunt and older uncle, you will call them bác. And you call yourself cháu as well. With the younger aunt and younger uncle, you have different way to call. With younger aunt, you call them cô. And with younger uncle, you call them chú. But you still call yourself cháu. One more time. Bác, cô, chú. With parents, you call mom and dad in Vietnamese. Bố is the dad. And mẹ is the mom. And you call yourself con, bố, mẹ, con. The next line is for brother and sister. For older brother, you call him anh. Anh. For older sister, you call her chị. Chị. And younger brother and younger sister, you both call them em. Em. Now go to the last one. In the last line, you call daughter and son con. Con. And for nephew, niece, and grandchildren, you call them cháu. So that's all personal pronouns you use it with your family. So now we will go out to see how to use personal pronouns with people not in your family. So in the social communicate, you care about the age of the people you're talking with, because if you know the age, you will know which pronouns you use with them. So with a friendship in the same age with you, you have some way to use. The first, you can use tớ, mình, and you call them cậu, bạn. That's a very polite way when you talk with your friends. But if you're very close with somebody same age with you, you can use the personal pronouns is tao and mày. Be careful, this only used when you have a friendship very close with someone. If not close, you don't use this way because that's quite impolite. And the next one, we will have anh and em. That's quite similar with brother in your family. And we go to the next. That's a chị and em. That's the same way you call your older sister. And we will have em with anh or chị. The next personal pronouns in a social communicate, we have cháu with bác, cô, chú, ông, bà. So I just tell you some popular personal pronouns in Vietnamese. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment below in this video and I will answer you. I hope you enjoyed study Vietnamese with my channel. Goodbye and thank you.